Hi everyone, my name is Maggie Lenchu. Now I'm going to tell you why I'm absent today and 3 days. Because why I'm absent, you know this? So I want to tell you this story why I'm absent. And class 1 and class 2. Because of this I am absent. Because I get sick, and on Monday I did not absent. This year's I absent. On Monday I did not absent, and on the second day I absent because I get sick. Oh no, I have fever, cold, and cough. Then I stay at home. I sleep. When I get home, I eat my food. And drink medicine and go to sleep again. And 10 o'clock, my mom wake me up, and I go with my mom to the doctor, and she gave me medicine. I sit there, oh no, I have to wait. And then when I come, I will sleep again, and then when I wake up, evening, I can see my brother, and I show him the banana, and I say, brother, take this banana. He did not know that there is banana. So I tell him, but I never eat banana because when I coffee, the more make me sick. I eat plenty of vegetables. But my cough never go inside. My sweat did not come out, but I am just sick. It is very hot. Okay. So on Wednesday, when I wake up, I eat again. But I in the district, so I just wake up. And then yesterday I go to school. When I come back, oh no, I tell my mom my stomach was paining, so I want to stay at home today. I have school, but I didn't go to school. If you like this story, like, share, and subscribe this video. Bye.